Hey y'all, we're hopping over to a little bit of trailer progress. So if you're watching the cargo trailer conversion, I know it's been like a year-long project already. You're in for more progress. Let's do this. We've had such a busy summer. It hasn't been a crazy hot summer in Texas, but it actually is pretty uncomfortable working on this trailer when it's hot outside. So we were really looking forward to cooler weather to start on this project again. We are getting ready to go on a weekend trip and we're gonna use this trailer again, even though it's unfinished. That's okay, it's still a roof over our head and a cozy place to sleep. And of course we get to haul a fun car around. Something I've been really excited to do ever since they came in, which is like a year ago, is install our SwissTrax flooring from Midwest Man Caves. I ordered this really early on in the trailer build and we have had it sitting for a year waiting, and we've had little pieces down like right at the entrance because we couldn't wait to see what it was going to look like. But then, you know, with finishing the walls out and everything, I didn't want to put the floors down because then it was going to be getting really dirty in here. But I'm tired of waiting. Pretty much all we have to do now are finish out the skins on the walls and the ceiling. Erin's going to do some wiring and stuff, but overall a lot of the fabrication on the interior of the trailer is done. We got to do plumbing here for the shower, so that skin isn't on yet on the bathroom wall, but you know, we'll get there. Today I'm gonna be working on some floors. I don't know if there's a learning curve to installing these. I haven't even watched any videos. I probably should watch some videos installing that, shouldn't I? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I watched a handful of videos and it was actually awesome because I learned some of the cool features about these things. One of the things that someone pointed out that I really thought was neat, that we've had a lot of questions about putting this in the trailer, is what happens when dirt gets underneath, because you can't sweep it, you know? And I always just imagine taking my like air blower and just blowing the dust and junk out. It was pretty cool because someone pointed out that there are holes and kind of like channels that all of the dirt can get out. It's not flush against the ground, so it's not going to trap it in there, which I thought was cool. Pretty much the only tips that I saw was to be sure that you have your loops where it snaps the direction that you need before you get a whole bunch of them laid down, because you could get them laid down and then realize that you've done it wrong and you know, have to go back and redo stuff. So I'll probably mess up, but I'm gonna try not to. Everybody was like, it's really difficult to mess this up. So in my mind, I was like, well, challenge accepted, but should be easy. We're doing gray and then 2 red stripes where the tires go down the center of the trailer. I'm excited. So the way these tiles click together is pretty awesome. On 2 ends, they have these loops. And on the other 2 ends, they have the buttons that click in. So it's just so modular and awesome. I really like it. So when you make it go flush, those buttons just click right in. It's time to cut my first piece. I'm going to give this here tool a try. I asked Aaron what it was. He said, I don't know what it's called. On the outside it says it's an oscillating multifunction power tool. So that's what we're gonna go with. Kind of close to my face, wasn't it? I'm gonna wear safety glasses. We're gonna give this a shot. Wish me luck. All right, we have a cut. Let's see how it fits. Finley, you're just in time to see the fact that I messed up a tile. I got too excited. I did not do my measurements correctly. I mean, I didn't do many puzzles as a kid, so I'm not making this work. I got this measurement correct, like where it butts up here. But that's about all I got right. I need to pay better attention that my smooth ends go this way and that my cut goes there instead of here, and get the distance correct. Emily. That's that measurement. And then this is this measurement. I just have to meld the two. Okay, nice. Keep on a-trying. I know I manifested that, didn't I? Because I said I was gonna mess it up, and then I did. He still loves me. That's all that counts. All right, time to remeasure. Okay, I think this cut's gonna be our ticket. This section away. Goodbye. All right, let's see how we do. You've got my good luck charm now. I can live with it. I can live with that. Feel proud, buddy. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut that one because I really have to start with that corner. So now that I've practiced on this number, let's move on to that one. You're gonna like this flooring. It's gonna allow the air to blow underneath you when you lay on it. It's gonna be cooling. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. It's so snazzy. Okie dokie. The first of, I don't know, a lot of pieces that I will cut to accommodate for this fender. Across I will go on this one and then do it a lot more times. I have a really special helper. She just learned a skill. She can stomp on it and jump on it and it'll click in. Let's get it in our spot. Go ahead. This is where it goes. Right there, Lily. Let me get it in its little section.
It's not quite in there yet.
Now it is.
Okay, let's get it in. I love how eager you are. It's awesome. Hi, Lily. Yeah, you're doing so awesome. Okay, there we go. Now we're ready. Go ahead, jump. Nice. Right here. Nice. And over in this corner. Nice. Good job, dude.
Okay.
Another piece of the puzzle. We could do another gray one. Yep, gray one. And we'll get it in the spot. Okay, now. Nice! Right there, right here. Good! So good. Okay, this corner. Keep going. Good. Awesome, dude. Another piece. Okay, time for a red one. I love the red ones. Do you want to go grab a red one from over there? Perfect. And smooth edge into the corner. I'm ready. Nice. Good. And then over here, time to cut another one. Okay, it's ready for you. Nice. Oh, that was a good snap right there. Oh, good, good. Right here. Yes. So good. Ooh, ooh, you're getting it. Nice, dude. Karen's making progress on the toilet situation. And I'm slowly but surely getting these floors down. Nicely done.
Fought me.
Made you earn it.
Hey, I look over here. There's a beam, so I was trying to. I didn't plan this. I didn't know where the beams were. But I was trying to cut along that stupid thing.
Jeez. How in the world?
If I'd moved it half an inch this way, there would have been no problems.
That's crazy. Oh, hey, bud. Pretty soon that's gonna be the poop chute. Hey, dude. He's like, bye-bye. Poop chute, Finley. Poop chute. Alrighty, got a little piece notched for our locker. We could have removed all of this stuff out of here, but I just decided to notch it since we have it all bolted down and everything. We just didn't want to unbolt it and reinstall it. So I just cut sections out and am making it work. Not bad. There's an in on it, y'all. It's looking pretty dang good. I really like these floors. This is awesome. I'm officially on my last piece. This was something that brought us great joy. The little wine refrigerator is perfect height with the floor. That was awesome. So I've got a scrap piece here that I'm going to cut down. And all of this eventually will be under a cabinet. Little by little, we build this thing out, but it's been awesome because we've enjoyed it like a couple of times now. We've gone out and used it, and that's really fun, not to wait to enjoy something until it's finished. So let's take some measurements and figure this out. Time to go cut it. Next, I'll be snapping it in. And it's in, y'all. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Oh my gosh, it's just awesome. I cannot wait to continue to see the trailer transforming and kind of finishing out. So fun, y'all. Little by little, we get our projects further and further along. Erin got the toilet mounted. It looks so nice. We decided to do a little bit of riser on the bottom, both so that we had something to mount trim to and also to raise the height of the toilet just a little bit. And it's solid in there. It's really nice. We're excited about that. I've just done a very mediocre, easy job. I vacuumed the bedroom and I made our bed. Aaron, on the other hand, he's got the cutting torch out. He's gonna cut out all that old, gross, stupid, bad, unwanted metal. That was a lot of adjectives for that. We are going to install some nice little stairs. Can't call it stairs, it's just a step. And it's going to be awesome, but the job is gonna suck. And I was just telling him, like, I don't mind helping, and he's like, I don't want you to do it. You'll get burned, it'll be terrible.
Yep, I'm gonna crawl underneath, make it rain metal. Probably catch grass on fire in the process.
I'll get the water hose. Nice job, sir.
Hey.
We did have a little bit of fire action there, but that's okay.
I only caught on fire twice.
We got it out. All right, well, we drilled some holes here and we are putting bolts in. It's going good. Oh, let's try this thing out. Pretty high step into here, but better than nothing. I like it. I think that's done. Erin just put the cool little soft top cover on the MG. Our goal is to fit the MG in the trailer along with my uncle's Gator side by side. Hopefully that will work. We've got high hopes for that being able to work. So I'm gonna pull Roxy out of the shop, then we're gonna pull the MG out, run it up, put some gasoline in it, and then load it in the trailer. It's a 2 camp day. We're excited. I never imagined pulling a car this far forward in our trailer.
There's so much room.
That is so funny. I could open the door, like, that
Yeah.
is hilarious. All right, we're pulling into my aunt and uncle's place to pick up his gator. He's got it out and ready. We brought your furniture dolly back that we've had for a year.
I was looking for that. I thought I'd lost it.
No, it's at our shop.
Okay, we're good.
It fits! Woohoo! Awesome.
6 inches to spare.
Alrighty, we have arrived. It's time to unload the stuff. There's already a few airplanes here. Parked all along the fence line over there. There's a few airplanes, people camping out. Oh man, so many amazing airplanes. This weekend is so fun for that. Alright, time to unload the stuff. Good job, Uncle Wayne.
Yay.
Yay! Now the little MG.
Yep.
Aaron, this is beautiful.
We're having an awesome day. We're just walking the runway, checking planes out. Everybody's just flying in, having a beautiful time. This is awesome. We had a couple of awesome days at Reklaw this year. We watched so many beautiful aircraft fly in and out, met so many awesome people, as we always do. If you guys are unfamiliar with this event, we did an episode the first time we went back in 2017, I believe. We have that video down in the description if you would like to go watch it. It is really fun. We are so grateful to have gotten more progress done on the trailer and are just enjoying it so much, even though it's not even finished yet. We're so grateful to each of you for watching, subscribing, commenting, and liking, and we certainly look forward to seeing y'all on the next episode.